Hello friends, this is Vivek Bajaj, co-founder of StockEdge, and I've been a market participant for more than 15 years. And I have developed StockEdge as your power, a utility, a platform which will help you to make money like big people make from market. We always know that big people have better access to data, better access to information, and retail investors, they were not privy of those databases. StockEdge has democratized that, and I thank you for downloading StockEdge because you mean real sense of making money from the market. After you have downloaded StockEdge and after you come to see this screen, the best thing to start StockEdge is to go to My StockEdge and start adding your stocks in the watchlist section. Why I'm asking you to do that? Because ultimately, either you will have your own stocks where you have invested, or you hear stocks from various people, but you don't know how to track them properly. Watchlist is actually the stock tracker which you should follow. Let me add few stocks here from my knowledge and my circle of competence. So Reliance, for example, I have invested in Reliance Industries, so I will add it here. For example, Vodafone Idea. So Idea. Let's see, we have Idea. Okay, Vodafone. Let me just search Vodafone. Okay, Vodafone Idea is here. Okay, and Airtel, Bharti Airtel. So I've invested in all three companies because I'm pretty bullish on the telecom sector. So here we have added all three companies, and I can also add the companies whose products I use. For example, Maruti could be one company because I'm using their car, one of the cars. So yeah, so I've added the companies. Now the beauty of this is the moment you added, you can see the rate at which you have added it, okay? And you can track from today what is the performance of this company from today onwards. Apart from that, if you want to see the gainers in this stock, the losers in this list, then if you want to go to the next level of analysis, the scan insights, which will help you to figure out what are the various parameters which is satisfying in this company. And the more parameters, bullish parameters are satisfying the company, that means is in a bullish territory. The more bearish parameters are satisfying, that means the company is in a bearish territory. I have separate videos where I've talked about these scan insights. I will take up this later, but in a single watch list, getting all this information which adds to your conviction of buying or selling is the most beautiful aggregation which we have done in StockEdge. You can see aggregated corporate announcements, you can see corporate actions like dividend, split, etc. You can see the results if there is any out of these companies, and bulk deal, block deal, or any insider trade which is happening in this list of companies. So this is an intelligent watch list, and the first thing you have to do is go through this intelligent watch list. In case you get stuck anywhere, we have I at every point which will help you to understand what this is all about. Well, right now, there is no need of I because we know these are self-explanatory. You can go inside, and if you don't know this concept of open at high, just click I and it will give you a quick text-based as well as video-based understanding of what it is. That's the beauty of StockEdge. StockEdge helps you to actually learn. So if you are a newcomer in the market and if you go through StockEdge learnings, eyes, you will actually get a very good understanding of the market as well. Apart from watchlist, first thing first, what you have done is you also add mutual fund watchlist if you have any. So stock watchlist and mutual fund watchlist both becomes part of your analysis, and any follow-on action happening in both these asset class, you will be updated here if you watch it regularly. Apart from this, I want you to go through explore section. It has so much of data points that to make a view on the market and to track the stocks and identify the stocks which has potential to give you return is possible through both explore and analytics section. How do you identify stocks? How do you find out stocks where you could invest? You have investment themes which we have given to you. How do you identify stocks where big investors are investing? You have investment portfolio which we have given to you, a complete portfolio of more than 300 investors, big investors of India. How do you identify stocks where you can trade? We have given you strategies which are giving you intraday as well as swing trading opportunities from StockEdge. How do you identify stocks where there is important qualitative information available? For example, con call summaries, infographics, IPO notes. Everything is part of that premium version of StockEdge. How do I identify stocks where there is an opportunity right now to invest? Investment ideas will give you that information. So basically, explore section gives you access to data, and analytics give you actionable data points for decision making. So you start with your stock list, start tracking them, and then every day for at least half an hour in the evening, every single day, don't miss it. You have to study all these important parameters related to market and try to make a judgment on the market, especially if you want to become an active investor in the market. If you want to become a passive investor in the market, no problem. Our analytics has enough outputs which you can follow, and you can invest your money or trade in the market using the ready-made analytics which we have created here. For people who want to learn the basics of market and other aspects, we have a learn section here which can give you the basic conceptual understanding of all the topics related to market. There are some things which we have done very nicely in terms of structure of the app. You can have the app in multiple languages. Right now we have Hindi and Bengali as well. You can have the darker version of the app if you want it to be that way. You can increase or decrease the size, and you can contact us on the WhatsApp link which we have provided here, and my team is super fast to make sure that you get the exact answer of the query which you may have. I hope you like using the app. It's for me, I call a lot of people that it's an ATM machine. You just need to know how to insert that card and put the password and get the money out. That effort of getting the money out is something which you will need. You will go through a lot of training which I do regularly. I host my free webinars on StockEdge in Elon Markets. So I hope you are there as well, so that you understand what exactly StockEdge is and you get the complete power of StockEdge, and you become a very successful financial market participant in equity as well as in the mutual fund segment. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope your journey of StockEdge will be as productive as ever. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.